Hi guys, welcome to another new episode of our channel, and today I have come back after a small break to show you an amazing and easy quick chicken curry. So let's begin. Guys, I have used boneless chicken over here. You can use bone pieces as well. So, my dear friends, this house is filled with the aroma of this special chicken curry. I really hope you like this video. Do try it out, guys, and it goes superb with any side, may it be naan, bread, puree, chapati, rice, may it be anything. I'm sure you're gonna love this. Try it and let me know in the comment section. See you in the next episode. Until then, take care and bye-bye.